Hello friends, today we're going to see Wacom MobileStudio Pro tablet and see if this is for you. But first, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, check my Instagram for many more artworks. Let's get to it. So I recently got a chance to try this Wacom's high-end machine. This is MobileStudio Pro 13 with 512GB storage. I usually work on my 16-inch XP Pen tablet or my 11-inch iPad Pro, so this is a huge jump for me. First thing I noticed right away is that there is literally no gap between the tip of the pen and the surface. It's so smooth and it feels like as if I'm drawing on an actual paper. But the biggest benefit you can get from this guy is that it's portable. You can use this with no external cable or other devices. You can even take this in your bedroom and draw. In fact, I constantly moved to several places in my house when I was working on this portrait. It's super clean, and because of this reason, so that you always can keep your desk nice and organized. Also, this is touchscreen, so that you can control your tools with your touch. Of course, it has physical buttons too, where you can set up your custom tools. It feels like using an iPad, but it has inputs including USB-C, SD slots, so it's pretty convenient. However, one thing I noticed while I was enjoying my tablet was that it constantly detects your hand and sometimes it might bother you. As you can see, I'm right-handed, and even though I'm wearing gloves, it detects my right hand and that changed my brush setting accidentally. Here's the color comparison of the Wacom tablet and my iPad Pro. As you can see, the Wacom has a little more warm and soft colors. Overall, I enjoy this tablet. It's so rich in colors and that pushes me farther to explore more colors than my usual work. What do you guys think? Leave the comments, what tablets do you use? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next episode.